Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys, let's update our view on the Bitcoin market because market shows really good performance. It has exceeded the resistance level that we have specified on the daily chart, is 1150. That is not the major level, at least based on the Judd Napoli framework, because he usually considers 30% and 618, so 50% he doesn't use in its technique. While we are usually taking a look at the 50 as well, 50%, because there are some assets that likes the 50% levels, for example, euro currency. But anyway, currency you can see the market currently you can see the market is coming above this area and coming to the next level. So this is 1350 area. This will be major 618 resistance, and that will be already close to the weekly overbought. So currently, as you can see, market is not at overbought, but around the 618 level it will be very close to it. As the market moves so fast that on the intraday charts, on the daily chart, we actually do not have some valuable indicators or valuable patterns, levels or something of that sort, because market shows so fast action that we could consider some general picture only on a weekly and high on monthly time frame maybe. But on a daily, it's straight up forward action. So, and on the weekly, actually there are two levels that we consider. The first one is, as I said, this level, but next one will be the major target on the daily charts. Next, and nearest extension of the all-time ABCD pattern, that's 1530. It's right here. So that's two levels that we will keep an eye on. As market already has passed through the other levels, it has no significant barriers till this moment, and that is the level where market is tending to. So this is high time frame view. What we have on the intraday charts, on the daily chart, we do not have something really special. That's our ABCD pattern that you can see market has exceeded. So only minor reaction here has followed, and that is mostly was, I suppose, reaction not even on the some ABCD, not even on our 3 drive. Patient reaction, but this is reaction on the daily overbought. So this level we could destroy, not need it anymore. That's also was agreement with the 50% level, but you can see market easily has passed through it. So now market stands at the overbought. We could consider here the Judd Napoli patterns. So since we know that market is standing to the next monthly destination point, that stands at 1350. Currently market stands at $1,000 below, and here we could keep an eye on possible Judd Napoli continuation patterns. As you can see, the thrust here is really not bad to the upside, and it's suitable for the Judd Napoli upward continuation patterns. For example, if somehow, we can't predict definitely, but if market somehow by some reasons will start showing deeper retracement and will form, for example, bread and butter buy, you know that around 1085 areas will be FIB support, and this will be opportunity to go long, and you could use this thrust action for taking the long position based on the bread and butter trade on the daily. The same story, because market currently stands at the overbought, and it's theoretical it could show some deeper retracement. The same story stands on the follow time frame chart. Here we have the smaller thrust up just on the second part of the daily thrust. You can see this one, and here market could form the smaller bread and butter trade. It's also suitable for bread and butter. In this case, this level that we have is 12 even approximately. So if market will show the retracement on the 30-minute chart, that could be kind of the maybe ABCD pattern here. So for example, on the hourly chart, that could be kind of the ABCD retracement, got equal to buy or something of that sort, and this simultaneously will give you the bread and butter buy opportunity. So that's also the chance to take the long position with a very small risk, because we know on the weekly chart that market is standing higher right to the 1350 area. and potentially to the 1530. That's two targets that we're keeping an eye on. So that's our tactic on the Bitcoin market right now. So as market has passed through the all resistance, now stands in relatively free space. The only overbought condition holds market from the upward action. It has no other barriers, I mean fib levels or extensions, and means that this is two levels where market tend to. As a result, we could take a look into consideration the possible bullish continuation patterns such as the Napoli Brent bodies for taking the position with a relatively small risk. I mean, of course, the long positions. That is the tactic that we will keep an eye on Bitcoin in the nearest future. Next, our step is to consider what will happen in the major 618 resistance. If nothing happens here, we will start to keep an eye on the 1530, what will happen here. And because, as we said, the major retracement will happen sooner or later. And that's two levels that potentially it could start. But until this moment, upward action probably will continue, and that creates the chances it's possible taking a long position based on some bullish continuation patterns on the daily and on the intraday chart.